Okay. Try natin. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Sa camera, dito yung camera or sa middle. Tumitingin ako sa screen. Okay. Walking around on my house and there's Dad. Where are you going?
My nose is full of boogers.
Try natin tong Samsung Galaxy S9 na pang vlog. Na-weird pa rin ako. Medyo makalat yung bahay. Pasensya na. Dito ako titingin sa camera. So, nadidistract ako sa screen. Dapat dito ako tingin sa camera. So, tingin tayo sa camera. Tingnan natin kung okay yung Samsung pang vlog. Oh. I see neighbors on the front door. Tumitingin pa rin ako sa screen. Dapat dito ako tumingin sa camera. What you doing?
Maybe I'm gonna hang my VR cable.
Bihira lang yan guys humarap sa camera.
A little lanyard.
What's
Here,
that?
pull it.
Pull? Ooh, it's look all the way. Ooh.
Yeah. So, you hang these from the ceiling, and then the VR cable goes to the ceiling.
Oh, that's for the VR? I forgot about
Yeah.
that.
That way you don't trip on it.
Oh, okay.
But if I do that, then every time we use the VR, we have to unplug it here.
Where?
Right here.
Excuse for the messy, everyone.
It's not messy, it's damn near clean. Okay. And it's such a long cable. We'll have to unplug this every time. Not hook it.
What's that called?
It's proprietary. They have their own connector.
They do?
Yep. It's USB and DisplayPort in one.
By the way, everyone, I want to try my phone using for filming or vlogging. I still don't know where should I look, like at the screen or on my camera. On the camera. But we're just like doing nothing around inside the house. Let's see what's the camera. It's the Samsung Galaxy S9. It's not actually it's not bad. We'll see we'll see later after I transfer it to the computer what's look like the quality of front camera, quality of the Samsung Galaxy S9 front camera. I need a medic.
That is like quite the cable.
What?
Feel that? Feel the cable.
Oh yeah.
It's like a cheese cutter.
Yeah. Oh! Just kidding. Okay. I'm gonna study you here. My nails is not dry yet. How long is this? 3 minutes and 47 minutes. Okay.
3 minutes and 47 minutes.
Already. The video.
3 minutes and 47 seconds.
Yes. 3 minutes and there you go. 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes already. Let's see. I wanna see
I need to do
the
this.
quality.
This is the most important.
How's the quality when I'm gonna transfer it to the computer. For now, we're gonna film it. Now, we're gonna try to go outside under the sun. Open natin. Let's open this. And then I can go outside. What is the quality? Here's the quality of the Samsung Galaxy S9. Then natin film. Ta-da! Ow. I redo my nails. Purple. So it's big, really. We'll see if this camera capture. Oh, I can see this one. I got the jalapeno already. You see this, guys? 2 jalapeno been already on the. It has 2 jalapeno already. One in the other side and one the other side. And this is my, what do you call it? They call it Japanese eggplant. It has already I'm not sure this is the flowers or the vegetables already, not sure. The color is purple, probably just the flowers. And my tomato, this is the tomato. It's big. So those are my plants here outside. So 6 minutes, it's like, it's been already almost 7 minutes videos. But this is the quality of the video when I'm outside, like the natural lighting outside. So we'll see. It's not bad at all. See? Hello everyone. Yeah, we are in the backyard. Just wandering around. And I plant, I'll try to plant the pineapple. I'm just curious if I can grow the pineapple, but let's switch the camera. And those are my plants. Those are my plants. Tomato, more jalapeno, and more Thai chili, and the eggplants right there. By the way, I'm using the back camera right now. Alright guys, that's the pineapple. The edges is dry already, but it look like inside it's growing. My hands is so dry. Keep washing all the time, but that's the pineapple.